Hello guys, welcome back once again in RoboJunk YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can build a smart attendance system using Arduino board. So let's start the video. So the idea about this project is basically in a class every student are going to have one smart card. Basically it's a RFID card like this. They will have this kind of card, and whenever they come for the classes they are going to tap this on a RFID reader, which is going to read the data and it will update their attendance on an Excel sheet. This kind of Excel sheet is there. As you can see here, on 8th of August Rahul was present, on 8th of August Sanjeet was present, right? So like this, two student data you can see here, 8th, 9th and 10th of August, right? So they were present. Similarly, we can have the card for all the students. Whenever they come for the classes, they are going to tap and the attendance will be marked here in the Excel sheet. And for building this project, I have used LCD I2C also, so that they can also see whenever they will tap, it will display the message, your attendance is marked. Rahul, you are present, your attendance is marked. Like that, they can have the message also. Now, for building this project, you need two different code. One is Arduino code, which is going to take care of reading the RFID cards, which is going to take care of printing the information, printing the message on the LCD, and it will also send the information over the serial, so that the second file, which is Python file, the Python job is to read the information coming from the serial and it's going to update the info in the Excel sheet. That's how this overall project is going to work. Now I'll just quickly go over the code so that you can understand what this basically particular line is doing. Also, you can find the connection diagram over here. This is the connection. This is how you have to do the connection with LCD and RFID reader. First, I will go through the Arduino code. So I'll start from here. So these are the library. This is very important library for RFID card. Okay, this is the reader name MFR C522. This is the RFID reader library. Then LCD I2C, for that you need this library. And as I said, the connection diagram is there. So first you can do the connection. These are the pin for RFID reader. Okay, and then these are the messages. You can see lcd.init. It will initialize, it will turn on the backlight, it will print RFID attendance starting. So these are the messages which are going to be printed on the LCD. Yeah, and in the void loop it will check if serial is available, then it is going to send all these messages. Okay, so you can see display LCD messages. This is the function display LCD. Let's go in this function and see what that function is doing. Display LCD, where is display LCD? Display LCD is here. So what display LCD is going to do, whenever the message is welcome, it will print welcome. Whenever the message is attendance okay, it's going to print like this, attendance marked. Whenever the message is already marked, it will just write already marked today, right? So this is how the LCD is going to print all these messages, so that user can easily see, their functionality, like whether they are present or absent, right? All those things. Yeah. Now going back to this one, there is another code in this which is taking care of reading the RFID card. So that code is over here. It will read each byte of the RFID card and it's going to store in this. You can see UID plus equal to 0. So all these things will come in UID. Okay, and it will update all the byte. Yes, you can find this code in the description given below. Now I'll explain each line in this Python file. You can see import serial, import time. So the way data will be updated, you can see here date is there, time is there, what time the student has come, everything will be updated in basically 5 different columns: date, time, student name, RF UID and status. Now I'll go back to this. So you can see here these two things will take care of reading the Excel sheet, basically workbook, right? Now the student database is this one. You can have as many students, let's say 30 students are there in a class. We can put there what is the card number, because every student will have a unique card number. So we can have their card number with the name written over here like this. Uh, as I can, as you can see here, 3 students data I have already kept it here. Now on the LCD, these are the messages. So basically, whenever people will come, it will send all the message as I showed in the Arduino code, right? And then this is how it's going to create the Excel file. The file name will be here. You can find the file name. File name is here only. Excel file name is RFID attendance. As you can see here, RFID attendance, right? Now, yes. And then creating Excel file, and these are the headers. On the top, date, time, student name, RFUID, and then status, whether they are present or absent. All those things are going to be marked. Yeah. So this code is also given in the description. Do find the code and basically upload this code. One thing you have to make sure when you are building this project is that is COM8 serial port number. So when you plug the Arduino board, it's going to generate a number. Let me just show you. So in my case, it's COM8. Do change in your case. Let's say in your case it might be COM5 also. So just do check and then accordingly make the changes. Okay. Next. So basically this is how this entire code is going to work. Another important thing is when you are running this RFID code, just make sure the serial monitor should not be open in the Arduino. When you are running the Python file, serial monitor shouldn't be open. That is very important. Okay. I'm going to tap this card. You can see already marked because attendance is already marked. You can see Rahul is already present. Okay, Sanjit already marked because both the data is available. So one important feature is if anybody has basically showed the card, if anybody has already showed the card to the reader, second time it's not going to take their attendance. It will print already your attendance is marked. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Please hit a like button and do subscribe RoboJunk YouTube channel. Also, there is an important note: if you are looking for robotics coding and AI classes, do join RoboJunk. So here is the contact number. You can contact on this number and I will be your instructor.